Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Back up to iCloud or to your computer now because updates can fail and you want your data safe. Once backed up, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to start checking. If the update appears, tap Download and Install. The system will verify files, so be patient while it prepares the update in the background. Once the update is downloaded, the system verifies integrity before installation. You'll see prompts to agree to terms, follow them, and enter your passcode when requested. If you choose Install Now, your device will restart and display an Apple logo with a progress bar. Do not disconnect or force restart. Alternatively, pick Install Tonight or Schedule if offered to avoid downtime. Make sure sufficient storage remains and that any critical apps are closed. After installation completes, your iPhone may ask you to sign in and adjust settings. Review privacy prompts and update apps in the App Store to ensure compatibility. If the update fails, restart the phone and try again, or delete the update and re-download it. Freeing 5-10 GB can help. If problems persist, connect to a Mac or PC and update via Finder or iTunes, or use recovery mode to reinstall iOS. If none of this works, contact Apple support for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.